Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. I will help you practice short sentences in English. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm a boy. Can you repeat that? I'm a boy. I'm a girl. Repeat after me. I'm a girl. I'm a man. Try saying that. I'm a man. I'm a woman. Your turn. I'm a woman. I'm a husband. Can you repeat that? I'm a husband. I'm a wife. Repeat after me. I'm a wife. I'm a father. Try saying that. I'm a father. I'm a mother. Your turn. I'm a mother. I'm a child. Can you repeat that? I'm a child. I'm a student. Repeat after me. I'm a student. I'm a teenager. Try saying that. I'm a teenager. I'm a teacher. Your turn. I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. Your turn. I'm a doctor. I'm a friend. Repeat that. I'm a friend. I'm a policeman. Can you say that? I'm a policeman. I'm a policewoman. Repeat after me. I'm a policewoman. I'm a builder. Try saying that. I'm a builder. I'm a carpenter. Your turn. I'm a carpenter. I'm a plumber. Can you repeat that? I'm a plumber. I'm a mechanic. Repeat after me. I'm a mechanic. I'm a lawyer. Your turn. I'm a lawyer. I'm an accountant. Try saying that. I'm an accountant. I'm an engineer. Try saying that. I'm an engineer. I'm an economist. Can you repeat that? I'm an economist. I'm a soldier. Can you say that? I'm a soldier. I'm a pilot. Your turn. I'm a pilot. I'm not a pilot. Can you repeat after me? I'm not a pilot. I'm not a soldier. Can you say that? I'm not a soldier. I'm not an economist. Try saying that. I'm not an economist. I'm not an engineer. Your turn. I'm not an engineer. I'm not an accountant. Can you repeat after me? I'm not an accountant. I'm not a lawyer. Can you repeat that? I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a mechanic. Try saying that. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a plumber. Your turn. I'm not a plumber. I'm not a builder. Can you repeat that? I'm not a builder. I'm not a carpenter. Repeat after me. I'm not a carpenter. I'm not a policeman. Repeat that. I'm not a policeman. I'm not a policewoman. Your turn. I'm not a policewoman. I'm not a friend. Can you say that? I'm not a friend. I'm not a doctor. Repeat that. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a teacher. Repeat after me. I'm not a teacher. I'm not a teenager. Try saying that. I'm not a teenager. I'm not a student. Your turn. I'm not a student. I'm not a father. Repeat that. I'm not a father. I'm not a mother. Try saying that. I'm not a mother. I'm not a wife. Your turn. I'm not a wife. I'm not a husband. Repeat after me. I'm not a husband. I'm not a man. Repeat after me. I'm not a man. I'm not a woman. Your turn. I'm not a woman. I'm not a boy. Repeat that. I'm not a boy. I'm not a girl. Can you repeat that? I'm not a girl. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam. Remember, practice makes perfect.